Forbes India presents Top 30 Talent Leaders of 2023, powered by Indeed.
Hi everyone, my name is Pooja Bhardwaj and I work with Autodesk as a global manager for talent sourcing. I am so passionate about bringing the talent to Autodesk. I always aim to build better career experiences and also develop a sense of purpose in everyone's lives. So HR is one function which enables you to wear multiple hats and combine the business knowledge with your your go to market strategy, your people strategy, and also bring the competitiveness in your HR processes. I simply loved it, and I'm glad I could pursue a career in for my passion. So I started my career with in HR with Balarpur Industries. That's called Built. It's a Thapa Group company, and I started into HR, working on employee engagement, HR processes, recruiting. Post then, I joined a U.S. multinational called Cadence Design Systems. Cadence Design Systems are the leaders in electronic design automation. I happened to join Autodesk. Autodesk is the leaders in 2D and 3D design software in 2007, and it's a fantastic journey with Autodesk, and where I started with as a talent acquisition manager for India, and all grown to hiring for across Asia Pacific, and now with Autodesk as a senior manager for global talent sourcing. So, talent attraction, especially for the new hot technology, is the biggest challenge that every tech organization is having today. There is a war for talent. Not only just people are looking for hot skills like AI, design solutions, or you have data analytics or robotics. It is also creating a huge pressure on HR to be ahead of the curve in order to recruit for talent. And it is not only just recruiting for when you are having a need or basically looking for a talent, you have to be ahead of the curve by always there in the market recruiting and looking for great talent to be a part of your organization. In Autodesk, we have a concept of always on recruiting. We keep ahead us of the curve by not only just doing the skill based recruiting. We also do based on the persona. So and looking for talent that will be a part of Autodesk for the future. So it is basically not just being there when you want to hire, but always being there in to hire as a one of the tech organization. So technology is playing a very important role. We have introduced AI powered platforms like talent experience platform like HireView, which have helped us to automate our HR screening workflows and also enabled us to hire faster, giving a better candidate experience as well as a hiring manager experience. It has helped us to build a talent bench or inventory of people whom we can hire whenever the headcount opens. We also have implemented a talent life cycle management system, which is also AI talent software, and this is called Deamery. So this helps you to be always able to reach out to the candidate faster and also nurture the passive talent. So you can drive the talent marketing campaigns. You can keep them engaged and also attract talent for such kind of hiring events that you do, where you would need people to be always there, identified pool of the people always there to be able to participate and engaged with your your company's brand. So in terms of our leadership is working on couple of initiatives in order to being ahead of the curve as well as to drive the positive change. So we are focusing a lot on our diversity and inclusion. We are bringing more technology into play, like having one of the softwares called Data People, where we it helps us to write more inclusive job descriptions and communications to remove the bias. We are also focusing a lot on our the employee health and safety. We ensure that we are hybrid and we are giving a remote work experience, enabling them people to work in a hybrid models where they can work from any location, and they are able to engage, have work life balance, and also drive the communications. We are removing the silos of working, and we are also enabling with more communications tools which are collaborative and helping us to engage and keep our workforce connected. So, if I would have not been a talent leader, I would have certainly been associated with um, any organization or an NGO that is working towards women empowerment, or basically on the social development. I think basically more on sustainable development. Both are so important for economic growth and social progress. So I think that's one of the reasons in Autodesk also we have a huge focus on diversity and bringing more women into tech as well as sales. So, one of the advice I can share is, find your superpower and follow your passion. HR has so much to offer. Nowadays, the modern HR is all about innovation and impact. So, empowering and, the employees, bringing the technology to play so that you can automate the processes. You have a whole world of so many different activities and functions and streams you can choose within HR, from strategic management to recruiting to HR processes to employee engagement. There is so much for everyone to do, and you can make an impact in your organization's growth and success. So one of the thing is that, like I said, technology is changing. Whatever skills we were hiring few years back, those are getting redundant. The technology is playing a big part. There is artificial intelligence. There is virtual reality and augmented reality. There is datafication, and everywhere if you see, there is a huge focus and a global spending on cognitive and AI systems. So I think HR plays a very important role, especially talent acquisition, because the more it is a more proactive role nowadays that we have to play in order to get the right people with right skills, motivation, and behavior in the right places. So I think the change is inevitable in HR. We have to continue to grow, continue to innovate in the HR space, and continue to learn. I think we can't say that we have reached this place and it's done. So it is a constant process of learning and making ourselves more agile and effective and impactful.
Forbes India presents Top 30 Talent Leaders of 2023, powered by Indeed.